Wall and ceiling cracks, pretty common problem, right? Whether it's shrinkage, minor settlement, or weather changes, these cracks show up in every home. Today, we're going to be talking about a simple, ready-to-use solution, Sika Cracksil paste. Let's quickly see what it is, how to use it, and its benefits. Sika Cracksil paste is a ready-mix, acrylic-based crack filler designed specifically for non-structural cracks in walls and ceilings. It comes in a paste form, so there's no mixing required. Just open the pack and apply. Once cured, it forms a flexible, smooth and paintable surface, making it ideal for interior repairs. This product is specially developed for hairline cracks and minor plaster cracks, which are commonly found in residential and commercial buildings. Sika Cracksil paste can be used on internal walls, ceilings, plastered surfaces, cement-based substrates, masonry and concrete surfaces. It is mainly recommended for indoor application where the cracks are non-moving or have very slight movement. Important note, this product is not meant for structural cracks or active water leakage areas. Let's look at why Sika Cracksil paste is a preferred choice. Ready to use, excellent crack filling ability, flexible after drying, smooth finish, good adhesion, easy application, low odor and safe for indoor use. Once cured, the repaired area blends seamlessly with the surrounding walls, giving a clean and professional finish. Now, let's understand the correct way to apply Sika Cracksil paste. Clean the crack thoroughly. Remove loose plaster, dust, grease or paint particles. Make sure the surface is dry and sound. For very fine cracks, slightly open the crack using a blade or a scraper. This improves penetration and bonding. Using a putty knife or spatula, apply Sika Cracksil paste directly into the crack. Press the material firmly so it fills the crack completely. Smooth the surface with the spatula to match the surrounding area. Allow the material to dry completely. Drying time depends on crack depth and ambient conditions. Once fully dry, the surface can be sanded lightly and painted with any suitable interior paint. Do not apply on wet surfaces. Not suitable for structural or moving cracks. Not recommended for external waterproofing. Always follow Sika's technical data sheet for best results. Little cracks, big difference. Once they're gone, you'll wonder why you didn't fix them sooner. Fix it once, fix it right with Sika Cracksil paste.